Hello friends, my name is Arvind. I am back with another video. So today we will looking at the Transcend Enclosure, that is for 2.5-inch SSD. Earlier I bought one of these enclosures in 2016 and I bought it for rupees a 900 something when the MRP was about 1100. Now I have bought second one of the same enclosures, and now the I have bought it for about 1080 rupees. I bought this enclosure both from Amazon.in, and now the price has changed to 1499. Earlier it was 1100 and now the price has increased to 1499. So this one is the old enclosure that I bought in 2016, and as and this one is the new one that I have bought recently for about 2 to 3 days previously. So first difference that you can see from the new one and old one, then the old one came with a longer cable and the new one has a shorter cable. So the cable length has decreased, although the price has increased, the Transcend has decreased the cable length. Rest whole of the manufacturing is almost the same. One more thing they have added in the new enclosure is that the new enclosure, the width of the new enclosure, they have included some you can say sponge type of thing inside this enclosure, so to fit the hard drive very tight. Actually, when I tried to fit in my laptop's WD hard drive into this enclosure, it was very difficult. First of all, after trying 4 to 5 times, I thought of returning it, but then I removed the sponge that they have put inside the enclosure, and then it was very easy to fit the hard drive inside of this. The earlier one didn't. The earlier one, this one does not contain any kind of sponge stuff inside. So my Samsung's 1 terabyte hard drive easily fit onto this. And one more thing, if you are buying these enclosures, I like to tell you one thing, that don't buy it for hard drive above 1 terabyte. I have tested 2 terabytes of internal hard drive in both the enclosure, the old one and the new one. But if you use it for something like movies while connecting this external hard drive to laptop USB 3.0 port for movie, the 2 terabyte hard drive will malfunction because these caddies are not able to provide enough power to the 2 terabyte hard drive. Also, buy these caddies only if you have USB 3.0 based ports on your laptop, and if you are using 1 terabyte hard drive. If you are using 500 gigabytes of hard drive, then you can buy this for USB 2.0 port, because 1 terabyte hard drive needs 5 volt and minimum of 1 ampere, and USB 2.0 port is not able to provide that. And also there is a single cable, there is not double cable provision. So don't buy this if you are buying it for 1 terabyte hard drive on the USB 2.0 port. On the USB 3.0 port you can buy it for 1 terabyte. So and one more thing, the speeds are good on these both, the old one and the new one. The I am using the In this one it is a Samsung 1 terabyte 5400 rpm HDD, and in this there is a WD Blue 1 terabyte 5400 rpm HDD. I have also tested Samsung 850 EVO SSD on both the drives. So the data transfer rates on this one, this is Samsung, and the old one enclosure is about say 70 to 80 Mbps, and this one also is 70 to 80 Mbps. Now this speed is, for example, I have connected both the hard drives, or say I have connected the hard drive to computer and copying something from my laptop to hard drive, or moving from this caddy to my laptop, then speeds are 70 to 50 to 70 Mbps depending upon the file which you are transferring. So you will get easily about 50 Mbps minimum speed, and max out is 80 Mbps on hard drive. But here is the twist: if you have connected this caddy or any caddy or this caddy with any hard drive, and you are transferring file within this hard drive, say for example you have connected this hard drive to laptop, and this hard drive has two drive two volumes, say A and B. So if you are moving something file from volume A to volume B on this caddy hard drive, then you will get speeds max about 25 MB, that are USB 2.0 speeds. So remember this, the 80 claimed speeds are only while transferring files from this caddy to your laptop or from laptop to your caddy. Within the caddy the speeds are very slow, so keep that in mind. Also, the max speed on SSD that I have tested with 850 EVO, my laptop gives me with the traditional with the laptop with the SSD built inside, you will get about 500 Mbps. But if you use the SSD inside these enclosures, then you will get speeds around about 150 Mbps. That's the max that these caddies can provide. So they will not give you 500 Mbps with SSD on this caddy. So one more thing, that if you are buying these caddies, also there are many more options on the Amazon for the caddies, like StoreJet caddies and the cheap Chinese one, like for 500 they are terabyte hard drives. And there is one more good brand, if you are want to buy these hard drive, there is name is Orico. So Orico screwless design aluminum based caddy is about 950 something, and these come for 1080. So I suggest you to go for the Transcend instead of Orico. Why? Because after some time if you want to sell the caddy, because of this Transcend brand, the caddy will sell for good amount, whereas the Orico nobody knows about that brand, so it will not sell well. So if you go for Storite and the terabyte ones, they fail after some time, so I don't recommend going for those Chinese caddies. And moreover they can damage your hard drive. This one has over voltage protection built in. Also one more thing that these both the old one and the new one have is that this button, if you have installed the backup software provided by Transcend on your system and click on this button, then this hard drive will take a backup of your computer and save it into this caddy. So it is a good device for auto backup. Just you have to click this button once when connected. But also to mention that you must have installed the backup software of Transcend on the system in which you are going to use this feature of this backup button. It will create a backup and store it on this caddy. So this is also nice feature that is not found in Orico caddy, price aluminum based Orico caddy price at same roundabout. And also there is one more good caddy if you are very tight on budget, that is Orico's transparent caddy that goes for about 750, but its build quality is average. So if you can stretch your budget, the minimum caddy according to me you should go for is this Transcend caddy, if you are going to use your hard disk for a long time. But if you are not going to use for hard disk for as external for not long time, say just you are going to use it for just say one time, you are going to use it, say you are having some problem with your hard drive and you want to get it fixed by getting it externally connected to something just for say once a time. So don't go for this CAD, instead buy a SATA adapter that fits outside the hard drive. That will be much cheaper and a better option. But if you want to use it as external hard drive, then the minimum you should go for this is Transcend. Don't go for StoreJet caddies or the cheap one. Then what was the name again? The cheap one was Terabyte, huh? The Terabyte. Don't go for that. So I am concluding this. If you have any doubt about these Transcend enclosures, kindly put your comments in the video description below. Also, if you like the video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you will subscribe, then I will get some support of you. And thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.